Hello beauties and welcome back. After your comments, I'm here with another product stash video, this time all Ayurvedic with some herbs and powders that I incorporate into my hair journey. All the links to every product will be posted in the description box below, so please do not forget to open that up. If a link isn't there, it's most likely that the product has been discontinued or is out of stock. So let's get started. First up, it's Shebe from Sahel Cosmetics. Y'all know this has done great things for my hair, mainly helping to retain moisture, which allows my hair to thicken, reduce its shedding, and grow some inches. I have a bunch of videos on Shebe already, so please check those out. But of course, more videos will be on the way. Here we have Henna Sook, one of my favorite Ayurvedic companies. This is their Goddess Herbal Hair Blend infused with fenugreek, rose, and aloe vera powder. This is made to help strengthen, grow, add shine, give thicker hair balance and moisture. This is Brahmi powder from Pride of India, which is used to condition and soothe the scalp, clearing blemishes, and promoting hair growth. It is very popular. This is Hibiscus powder from Naturevibe, which is rich in vitamin C that will help to boost your collagen level production, ensuring hair growth, but it does not color your hair. This is aloe vera powder from Henna Sook and Naturevibe. You guys know aloe vera is a great conditioner that will leave your hair shiny, promotes hair growth, minimizes itchiness on your scalp, and will reduce dandruff. I love to have aloe vera in all three forms. I have it in the powder, the liquid, and of course the natural leaf form. So if you guys love aloe vera, you can get it in many ways. Here we have fenugreek powder from Best Naturals. Fenugreek powder contains C and B vitamins. It is high in protein, which is beneficial against hair loss. Fenugreek also helps with dandruff and scalp issues like dryness. Here is Bhringraj powder. I don't think I pronounced that right, but I'll just call it ECLIPTA ALBA from Malvaniya Herbal Care. This stuff is really powerful. It helps prevent hair fall by improving blood circulation, revitalizing the hair follicles. Next up, it is Shakaikai powder from Me Nature. Shakaikai powder helps to fight dandruff, nourish and soothe the scalp and the hair follicles. This does cleanse the hair, add shine, and prevent grays. I love using this in my henna tea. Tulsi leaf powder. This stuff helps to keep the scalp cool and calm, reducing itchiness and flakes while improving blood circulation, which should help with hair growth. Neem leaf powder used to condition dry hair. Its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties help to keep the scalp in good health. Triphala powder helps to repair damaged hair and increase hair volume. This is also an antibacterial and antifungal powder that keeps the scalp infections away. Now for the big dog, this is henna. We all know henna helps to maintain the scalp health, balance oil production, and your pH levels. This will help boost your hair growth while minimizing hair fall. This also does strengthen your hair and can naturally dye it as well. Now for Amla. I have quite a few here. My Amla stash is bomb. If you didn't know, it is one of my favorite Ayurvedic herbs. Amla is used to strengthen your hair and your scalp, reduce premature hair loss. This can stimulate your hair growth, prevent and treat dandruff, and dry scalp. Ashwagandha powder. This can be added to your shampoos and your conditioners to support hair growth. This can also stimulate the production of your natural oils and scalp circulation. Jatamansi powder can help stop hair loss, dandruff, and promote hair growth with its anti-inflammatory properties. Here is rose petal powder. It's a natural skin toner, helps skin inflammation, making the skin very soft and smooth and glowing. I love to use this in my face mask. Also for your hair, this will help to cleanse the scalp by ridding it from the extra sebum and dead skin cells, improving hair growth. Tropical Naturals Herbal Hair Wash is a shampoo replacement. It's pretty much a clay wash that will detox and clarify, leaving your hair very moist and hydrated. We all know Indian healing clay, aka bentonite clay. I use this beauty when I do my maximum hydration method. This clay encourages hair growth, also moisturizes, and to help condition, soften, and reduce frizz. Here is Rhassoul clay, which is similar to bentonite clay, but they say Rhassoul clay is more moisturizing and will soften the hair much better than the bentonite clay. But the bentonite clay is highly more absorbent, giving you a better detox clean. Now for the tea rinses. These are my ultimate favorite things to do on my hair. These can be used as a pre-poo treatment or as a daily spritz refresher. Even after you deep condition, you can rinse this in your hair. Or one of my favorite ways to use it as my leave-in. These help to soothe, condition, and nourish your scalp and your hair, helping with itchiness, dandruff, tangled hair, while encouraging hair growth and strength and shine. Last item on the menu is a henna gloss bar from Henna Sook. This Ayurvedic treatment is extremely moisturizing and very conditioning to help nourish, strengthen your hair, leaving it extremely shiny. If you guys suffer from dry hair, I would suggest you to try a henna gloss bar. And there you have it. This is my current Ayurvedic stash along with other products and herbs. This will keep growing because you guys know I love to try new things into my hair journey, see what works for me and what doesn't. And of course, in return, I can always help out someone out there. If you guys have any other questions, please don't be afraid to leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.